Darling, I'm selfish. Wish I could love you, but you don't tell me how much you want it. I need a reason, I need an answer, then I can love you every day. But hold on to your feelings till you know what you're in for. Just hold on just a minute till you know what I'm good for. Secrets are no good, don't let them hurt you. Better be honest. If you want my kiss, give me a reason, give me an answer, then I can kiss you every day. But hold on to your feelings till you know what you're in for. Just hold on just a minute till you know what I'm good for. I could give you a try, take it to the sky, if you give me one good reason why you deserve my time, why you should be mine. All I need is one good reason. All I need is one good reason. All I need is one good reason why you deserve my time, why you should be mine. All I need is one good reason. Swear I never lied to you, swear I never treat you bad. See, I would never do it to you, what you did behind my back. Swear I'll never smile for you, swear I'll never be a fool. I'ma keep me far from you, cause what you did was so uncool. I'm not looking for revenge, I don't need you to be my friend. I just want this fake love to come to an end. So can I get some closure? Stay right where you are and don't come closer. If you haven't picked it up, it's over. You wanted her, so just give me what I deserve. So can I get some closure? Stay right where you are and don't come closer. If you haven't picked it up, it's over. Run back to her, cause I got what I want, closure. Wasted too much heart on you, wish I learned to use my head. Cause right before I fell for you, I fell right into your bed. I'm not looking for revenge, I don't need you to be my friend. I just want this fake love to come to an end. So can I get some closure? Stay right where you are and don't come closer. If you haven't picked it up, it's over. You wanted her, so just give me what I deserve. So can I get some closure? Stay right where you are and don't come closer. If you haven't picked it up, it's over. Run back to her, cause I got what I want, closure. You wanted it hurt, 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 hurt. You left me hurt, hurt. But I won't cry as long as I give me some closure. Who you think you are. You're lucky that I don't want revenge. So can I get some closure? Stay right where you are and don't come closer. If you haven't picked it up, it's all